my final year project. Name is Home Security Alarm System with the dial-out function. It will consist of the whole security alarm systems. I can explain to you one by one. This is a keypad PC1555 RKEZ model. This is a 8-zone control panel. This is a keypad to arm the system and disarm. Second device is a motion sensor. This inside the home model KCE301. I just temporarily covered to the main control panel PC1616. This is the main control panel to connect all the devices between the keypad, door contacts, motion sensor, siren, strobe light. Another one is siren strobe light LD96 model. This is to activate all the alarm and notification to outsider. Next, door contacts. This one 943 WG model. This is simple magnetic contacts for to fix a window or door. Another one more keypad. This is located outside. The keypad model is AR721H. This is a card reader. Connect with the proximity card. Is already programmed to activate the system. Or entry exit. You can scan the card and put the pin to disarm the system. This is the relay we need to connect because of the interfacing between the PC1616 and the keypad 721H. Both connected to this PC1555 RKEZ. It's like a main panel. Is connected with the power supplies in transformer 16 voltage with the standby battery. In case of any power failure, can be backed up by this battery. Now this the whole system is combined together, all hardwired. This is for just project, so just lay the cable. I can show one by one about how the system. Now you can see the green color is ready and the system is on. Once power on to this control panel, you can see these two lighted on. If in case any alarm activation or like devices activated, you can see that zone 1, 2, 3. Yes, 3 zones only being used. Other 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is spare zones. Just I can show you one of the devices activation is like a motion sensor. You can see this one lighted up, then you can see zone 1 lighted up. Second device is door contact. This is in there. You can see this one. Once I take out the contacts, you can see the zone 2 activated. The third one is another door contact. This one linked with this keypad 721H. You can see zone 3. So now you can see all the 3 zones is was activated. If you want to arm the system, you cannot do it. Just I can show you. You want to arm the system, you cannot do it. So I put it back to normalize the system. So I put it contact temporarily I seal this motion sensor to deactivate the motion sensor. Wait for all the zones closed. And one more thing I want to highlight, that the telephone cable is connected with the telephone socket is in the wall. This is for when alarm activated. You can see the call from this telephone number to my mobile phone. Just I'm activating arming the system by password. So now you can see we will take 30 seconds to arm the system. That means now it's ready to arm the system. You can see the buzzer sound, you can hear. Everything is normal now. Everything is normal. So now I'm going to activate alarm by one. Means just I want to try with the motion sensor. Now I activated the motion sensor. This is to show you about how the system is. This is we have time interval to activate our alarm system, because of the user can come into the house to disarm the system itself. I can do it. So now disarmed, the system is not functioning, not armed, so the user can come into the home without any other problems, any alarms. You see now I can take out the door contacts. You don't have alarms. I put it back now. I want to have motion sensor also must deactivate. The second I have to wait for the zones to clear. Now try to arm the system back again. The system was armed back. Now you can see I want to activate the alarm to see the telephone number. Okay, motion sensor was activated. Take some time to activate the alarm. So hold on a moment. You can see now the alarm was activated. Wait for the phone call.